Customer surveys are a great way to collect consumer feedback, as they provide businesses with invaluable information of how to assess customer satisfaction, engagement, and much more. Hi, I'm Willem Mosich, welcoming you to another edition of BotSplash TV. Customer surveys can easily be created online. Google Forms is an easy way to quickly type up a series of questions and having them sent out to customers to fill out. One of the better known survey products on the market today is Qualtrics. Customer surveys are questionnaires. They're a group of questions designed to provide quantifiable metrics of how to assess a business's satisfactory results on the products and services that they offer, or even serve as an evaluation of themselves as a business. Customer surveys can require survey participants to write out answers or simply provide the answer choices that are given. These customer surveys can be eye-opening for businesses because here customers can anonymously share their true feelings and opinions about a business and what they offer, providing them with feedback of how ultimately to become a better business. And that is why customer surveys can provide that much more information and be so much more important for your business. I'm Willem Mosich. Thanks for watching BotSplash TV. Take care.